bone.
And my hip is really tight. Like it's hard to, I have to kind of walk a little bit in the morning to kind of get moving.
Okay.
Because if not, I'll just limp.
I kind of have a process in my mind, the way that I do things. Mm-hmm. And the first thing is I like to get everything mobile.
Okay.
I don't really want to exercise a bunch of crooked bones right out of the gate. Let's get everything mobile. And then once we get things moving, we can check all the tissue, mobilize the joints, mobilize the tissue. Okay. And then we'll come back through. We'll do some stabilizing work. Once we get you good stable, then we roll you right back into strength training.
Okay.
All right. So let's just start off by first, like, looking at your mobility and everything. So I'll just have you swing your legs around, stand by that door. And so you can face us here. So I'm going to have you just turn your head to the left. And then turn your head to the right. Okay, and look neutral for me. Look straight up for me. And let's bring your chin to your chest. Okay, so now what I want you to do is let's go ahead and cross your arms in front of your chest. Try to keep your hips facing forward, and you're only going to pivot at your mid-back, no hips. Okay, go back to neutral. Okay, go ahead and do it again. And let's go the other direction. Okay, and then relax. So what I want you to do is put your hands down toward your side. And I want you to just drag your right hand down your right thigh as far as you can go. Okay, left arm down the left thigh as far as you can go. Okay, good. Now I want you to turn and face this way for me. Now I want you to lean forward, keeping your legs locked out. Lean forward and head towards your toes as much as you can, as far as you can. Okay, good. Now go ahead and put your hands on your hips, and I want you to extend backwards. Good. So let's go ahead and go on your back.
Okay.
Now what we'll do is I'm going to do everything. And when I take your head and I do this, it takes the musculature out of it. So it just lets me do it. Let's let the joints work.
Okay.
So the more relaxed you are, the better. Hands on your belly. There you go.
I feel it right there.
So this ear is not touching this shoulder. You can kind of see right through here. See the difference if I peg that out, the gap between the shoulder, and then if I peg this out,
I can feel my ear touching my shirt.
he can feel it there. Okay, and then if you see the rotation, see his nose angle, we see a lot more ear here. We get a little bit more of the edge there. Okay, so let's kind of go down into the hips. Let's look at your ankles, knees, and hips. So even just feeling through motion here, you can come through. Bring that leg up. Let's go ahead and put your hands. Yeah, you can move them up. That's fine. So naturally, it wants to stop there, and I can bring it there. Naturally, it wants to stop there, and I can bring it there. Feel the difference there? Yeah. Okay, so now what we'll do, let's go on your belly. Let's come down at this angle, and what we're going to see is what the motion is like when it drops. Okay, now it's naturally dropping there. If I support here, I can push. It just challenges the knee too much. So then if I come here, and then if I challenge, that's the difference that we get there. Okay, let's go ahead and start on your back. So seeing the mobility first, I want to check where there's more rotation, and that's on the skull and the first bone. Okay, we got a little bit back with just that. Oh, there it comes back. Feel the difference? Okay, so let's check it bending left to the left here.
Oh.
There we go. Good. Now, all we'll do is do a little distraction. And unload the whole thing. How we doing?
Oh, man.
Good. All right, let's check your ribs and everything.
Okay.
Make sure we got motion in those. So we're going to come right through there. Good. Let's check this other side. Dang, dude, your hands are all torn up. What'd you do?
Was lifting heavy weights.
It's because you're a man.
That's right. That's right.
Let's give you a little stretch. Most everything I do to people is what I like done to me, so I kind of just like my hips unloaded for a second. Right through there. Just like that. We're going to roll you to me. And all this popping and clicking is just gas in the joints. Ooh, good.
Oh.
Okay. I want to scoot you up this way.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Oh, man.
So we checked the rotation internally. Now I just want to check it externally.
And see, that position there, like, really, really hurts.
Tightened you up.
Yeah.
Okay, well, look where you are. If I just use my belt line as a gauge, is that leg relaxed?
Now it is.
Okay, get it relaxed. Good. Now I'll have a look. So see where your knee is and see where my belt line is.
Yeah.
So pretty good gap there. I'm going to use the table to help me out. It's going to come up and just drop.
Okay.
Good. Put that leg right there and let it relax again. Now I'll have a look. See the difference?
Oh, wow.
See how it opened up? Okay. Let's go ahead and check this leg as well. Bring this leg up and let it relax. Is that as relaxed as you can get it?
Yeah.
Now have a look again. Here's my belt line. Here's your knee.
Okay.
We'll use the table again. I just like the table because you just get a couple of fast drops. Good. I did it there.
Oh, my gosh. I can already feel it. Holy
Immediate
cow.
drop, right?
That's incredible.
Okay, so let's put that leg there and there. Now you do have a bone that hooks the pelvis together on the front. So I'm going to use the muscles to take care of it. So don't let me pull your legs apart. Hold together.
Okay.
Hold, hold, hold.
Oh, I hate that one.
Ooh, made some noise.
Oh.
Okay, go on up. Let's go on your belly. Okay, so I'm feeling a little bit of motion loss there. So what I'm going to do is come back down here. And one thing I noticed is like just starting there, your foot was like that. So I'm going to kind of work it a little bit more, rotating internally. And then we saw that earlier with this drop in here. So I'm going to open that. Oh, one more. There we go. It's all feeling better. Okay, let's land this right side. We'll bend this leg. I'm going to wad you up like a pretzel, so you just relax. Okay, let me steal that hand from you. Okay, let that drop, head relax. Now I'm just going to stretch. You're going to let that leg roll all the way down. Good. How we doing? Let's go on this side.
Have a good one.
All right, good right there. Let that head drop. I'm going to stretch you out. Now I'm going to work a little bit more in a lateral position here. And then we're going to give you a little work on the SI joint. That way. Good. All right, let's lay on your back again. Good. All right, buddy, come on up. Let's go ahead and swing your legs around there. Go ahead and come, just stand up and face us again. Now, I'm going to run through some motion again. Let's just see everything well. So go ahead and turn your head slowly left and right. Good. Look up at the roof for me. Chin to chest. You're going to cross your arms in front of your chest again. I'm going to stabilize you here. Go ahead and rotate to the right and to the left. Good. Now take your hands, drag them down your thighs. Any discomfort with any of that?
Mm-mm.
Okay, turn and face this wall. Watch the table as you come down because you're already pretty flexible here. Good. Hand on the hip, just extend back a little bit. Good.
Oh, it feels good.
Better?
Yeah, it feels really good.
Good. Okay, so now we'll move into some soft tissue work.